Our book is 6 New Countdown 2nd edition, and today our exercise is 3B. Okay, and question number 2, classify the following into odd and even numbers. We have to tell that if these numbers are odd or even. So let's start our work. We have to see the last digit. As this is 7, 7 comes only its own table. It doesn't come in others table, so it is an odd number, because odd numbers are the numbers which comes only their own table, which divides with 2. ठीक है, odd numbers are those which don't divides with 2, and even numbers are divisible with 2. I hope you can understand that that odd numbers are not divisible with 2. Even is divisible with 2. Odd is not divisible with 2. The number which divide with 2 is an odd number. The number which don't divides with the number which divides with 2 is an even number, and the number which don't divides with 2 is an odd number. 3 is not come in a table of 2 or divides with 2, so it is also an odd. I can tell you about the definition. You can see, if you don't understand the difference of odd and even. Even and odd numbers. A number which is exactly divisible by 2 is an even number, divisible by 2. A number which is not divisible by 2 is an odd number. I hope you can understand it. The number which is divisible with 2 is an even. The not divisible with 2 is an odd number. So now solve the next part of this question. Now 458. We can see the last digit 8. 8 is divisible with 2 because 2 4s are 8. So it is an even number. Okay. Now the next is 2732. 2 ones are 2. So it is an even number. Now it is 0. Before 0 it is 8, and 8 also comes in a table of 2, so it is an even. The last is 1. No, 1 doesn't comes in a table of 2 because the table of 2 is divides with. Okay, I can tell you with an example. 1 2. 2 is not 1 is not come in a table of 2, so we can place as 0. 2 5s are 10. It is not come properly, it is 0.5, so it is an odd number. 0 and 8 is also an even because 0 2 zeros are 0, and 8 is also come in a table of 2. Now the next question, list the prime numbers between 50 and 75. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are natural number that has only two distinct factors, namely 1 and the number itself is an prime number. We can say that prime numbers are also or as same with an odd numbers because they comes in their own table or in a table of 1, like the 3 is an prime number because 3 comes in its own table or in a table of 1. Okay, I hope you can understand it. 5 is an prime number. Next 7 is an prime number. Okay, 11 is an prime number. So these are the examples of prime numbers. The next is list the prime numbers between 50 and 75. We have to write the prime numbers which comes between 50 and 75. I can tell you the definition of prime numbers, so we can solve this question in our next video. I hope you can understand this even, odd and prime numbers. Keep practicing maths. I will see you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.